Hi, everybody. It's John DePietro. I am at the Home Builders Association headquarters in Springfield, and I'm talking with Brad Campbell. And Brad, you're smiling because that Great Hope show that just got completed.
It was a terrific show. We had a great show this year. Attendance was up. Vendors were happy. We're expecting that attendance will probably break the 25% increase level this year.
Brad, hold on a second. You said 25% increase in attendance. What about all these statistics that say people aren't ready to buy and be ready for home improvement projects? That doesn't seem to be correct.
I think we saw this year the consumers are tired of sitting at home. They are willing to go out and spend some things on what I call their castle, and this was the year that they came to the show in big numbers, and the vendors are telling us that they're already spending money.
Right. And you may also want to mention to the vendors that now's the time to make your plans for next year's show, which is going to be a big one as well.
Yeah, next year's show is our 60th anniversary show. We expect it's going to be better than this year. We're hoping to have our modular home back. Cooking show will be expanded. And energy efficient products. We're talking to an organization that specializes in that category of product, and we think we're going to have a nice addition to the show next year. So come on and get your contracts signed and get your space secured, and let's get to work.
So that's great. So that's good to see that the thaw is here. Good weather is here. People are ready to go, and it's also the best time of the year for a home improvement project.
It certainly is, and again, talking with home show vendors, consumers are out there spending money. Make sure you get your share of that as you go out and close those deals that you made at the show.
And that's the story for the home show. We'll see you again real soon.